I'm making baby Icon's lunch and dinner together. That will be salad for him today. That's one of his favorite dish. We'll have broccoli together with chopped yellow onions. These are all fresh onions, and the broccoli has been boiled for about 7 to 8 minutes with sprinkled with pink Himalayan salt. Then I have also given him some sweet corns. They are natural. They are frozen sweet corns. They are natural. And I just defrost it. That's all. No cooking required because it's already cooked. And also I'm steaming now some cauliflowers, also sprinkled with pink Himalayan salt. That will go together and mix. And I'll mix it in here later. And you must be wondering, how about the protein? So these are just fiber. Broccoli has got good vitamin C. Onions has got very good antioxidants, so I think it's really good. Sweet corns, yes, it has great fibers, yes. So and there's cauliflowers too. That's all full with nutrients, and it also fills in because of fiber and doesn't add up to the calories. Then now here comes to the protein part. That's the meat. Is for lunch and dinner, so 1 drum each meal. I have seasoned it with fennel seeds powder, Himalayan salt, and I have given him some marinated with rosemary leaf, dried rosemary leaves. So now what I'm doing is I'm air frying it. I am air frying it at 130 degrees Celsius. I didn't want it too crispy. I just want it tender and cooked. Yes, without oil. So that's cool. I've been cooking it for I put it at 30 minutes and now it's running for 10 minutes, so left another 20 minutes at 130 degrees Celsius. So that's all. Once it's ready, I will mix in the cauliflower and I will slice up the cooked chicken or here to mix it, and that will be Amania's baby Icon's lunch and dinner. I will also be adding a teaspoon of coleslaw, just a teaspoon, that's all. Not too much, just a little bit of flavor for him. And that's his salad and his main dish for lunch and dinner today.